5 tips to sustaining a long-distance relationship. A lot of people believe that long-distance relationships are never going to work out. Your family may discourage it, and some of your friends will probably advise you not to take it too seriously, so you don't get your heart broken. Nobody says it is going to be easy, and the distance factor means you have to work extra hard. However, the distance also makes the simplest things the sweetest, being able to hold the other person's hand, eating together at the same table, feeling each other's touch. It makes you cherish and appreciate the little things a lot more. Here are a few ways you can keep the flame burning. 1. See it as an opportunity. View it as a learning journey for the both of you instead of thinking that this long-distance relationship is pulling you two apart. You should believe that through this experience, your bond will be stronger. 2. Communicate regularly. Sending text and thoughtful messages to each other goes a long way, and it is important to keep each other updated about things going on in your lives because this gives your partner a feeling of involvement and inclusivity in your life. 3. Keep things sexually interesting. Keep the flames burning by sending each other teasing texts filled with sexual innuendos and provocative descriptions. Sexy puns work well too, and the occasional kinky pictures or videos will definitely keep things interesting. 4. Stay honest with your partner. Talk about your feelings of fear, insecurity, jealousy, apathy, whatsoever. If you try to hide anything from your partner, that secret will sooner or later make things weird or even cause a divide. 5. Visit each other often. Visits are the highlight of every long-distance relationship because after all the planning and waiting, you finally get to be with the one you love and you get to show them just how much you love them. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought in this. See you in the next video, and until then stay tuned to aid the student.